Example 4 says the Gomez family is traveling at a rate of 70 miles per hour. The function rule that represents this situation is 70x, where x is the number of hours. So that means I do 70 times my input of x. Make a table to find how many hours they have driven at 140 miles, 280 miles, and 350 miles. Then graph the function. So to complete this problem, I'll need to use a function table. So I set it up with my input, my function rule, and my output. And my output is my miles. So that's what I get when I finish my function rule. So if I'm working backwards, I'm going to figure out my input, which would be the hours. So if I start with 140 miles and my function rule is 70 times x, I want to think 70 times what would give me 140. That would be 2. So I can find my input of 2. With 280 as my output, 70 times what would give me 280? That would be 4. So I get my input of 4. And then if my output was 350, I would think 70 times what will give me 350, and that would be 5. So I get my input of 5. Then, once I've completed this function table, I can create ordered pairs to graph this function. So my ordered pairs are made up of my x values and my y values. So I can almost create another column here on the right-hand side of my ordered pairs. So here, my ordered pair would be 2, 140. And here, I'm going to have my ordered pair of 4, 280. Don't forget ordered pairs are in parentheses and the x and y values are separated by a comma. My ordered pair for the last one would be 5, 350. So then I can create a coordinate plane, which they've done here below for us. So the hours is your independent variable, so your input's always going to be your x value, okay, and your dependent variable will always be your y value, okay, and that's always going to be your output. So we've got hours on the x-axis and distance or miles on the y-axis there. So then we can plot the points of 2, 140, and 4, 280, and 5, 350. And then what you should do is you should take a straight edge and draw a line through these points so you can see that it would continue in such a way. And it can help you predict further amounts down the road. Go ahead and try the Got It problem on the next page to check your understanding.